Lapping. Let us see an example for lapping operation. Lapping is a surface finishing operation. It consists of abrasive table, workpiece, abrasive wheel, lapping tool. The lapping process uses the abrasive tool and dry polish wheel or abrasive particles and vibrates with workpiece between the lapping tool. Lapping gives high degree of surface finishing.